Hello students, good morning. How are you? Okay, are you fine? Do you want to talk in English? Today I want to give you some questions. Suppose if you go to college या if you go to a school, कहाँ जाना है? School या college? And if you meet a new student, then how can you talk in English? This time I see most of the students always go to college and always go to a school, but they can't speak English. So I think wrong or right to try to speak. Without speaking, if you are thinking, it's not possible. अगर आप लोग सोच रहे हैं कि बिना बोले बिना प्रैक्टिस का इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, it's not possible. So this time, by the help of my YouTube channel, one thing I want to tell you. This time I see most of the town student can speak well English, but villager student can't speak. You belong to village, am I right? And you are longing I can speak well English. तो आप अपने भाई को भगा लें और सोचें हाउ कैन आई स्पीक. तो चलिए, आई वांट टू कॉल टू स्टूडेंट्स, बोथ बिलोंग्स टू विलेज but they are excited to speak in English. Maybe something wrong, coming the time they can speak the well. Then please, Moin and Sanwaj, both of you come and try to speak. You don't think what I am speaking, only you think what I am speaking, that is the right. Okay?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Are you a new student of this college?
As I am new student this college.
May I know what's your good name?
My name is Hanwaz Sen.
In which class do you read?
I read 12th class.
What's your faculty?
My faculty is the arts stream.
When did you take admission in this college?
I took admission 15 May 2023.
How much did it cost you?
It costs 5,000 rupees.
Do you attend your class daily?
As I present my class daily.
What does your class start?
My class start is 8 o'clock.
Do you know what's your principal name?
As I know, the principal name this college Mukesh Chaudhary.
Did you visit the college before?
No.
Where do you belong?
I belongs to Jharkhand.
With whom do you come to college?
I come to college with my friend, but sometimes I come alone.
How much time did it take?
I took time 1 hour.
When do you come to college?
I come to college 8 o'clock in the morning.
Are you doing tuition anywhere?
As I am doing tuition.
Where are you doing tuition?
I doing tuition Smartest spoken class and I12 computer center.
What's your teacher name?
My teacher name Gopal Rai and Mukesh.
How much money do you spend in your tuition?
I spend money 10,000 in my tuition.
What's your father name?
My father name Amdi Salim Sai.
How many members are there in your family?
5 members in my family.
Nice meeting to you.
Okay, I will see you next. My same question I want to ask you.
Yes, ask.
What's your name?
My name is Moin Raja.
Are you new student in this college?
Yes, I am new student of this college.
Okay. In which class do you read?
I read in graduation.
What's your faculty?
My faculty is science.
When do you take admission in this college?
I took admission on September 2023.
How much did it cost you?
It cost 3,000.
Thank you, Moin and Sanwaj. Both of you tried to speak well, and coming the time, I think you will be better in English. Before coming any places, first of all, what is the most important? Removing the hesitation. And you have same problem. You try to speak, but this time I think most of the villager people want to well in English, but they can't speak. Why? They know anything, but only problem they have problem in hesitation. But by the help of my institute, I want to remove your hesitation. Okay, next time I have confidence you can speak well. Okay, आपका क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा था. ओनली कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को बनाना. बिफोर आई सेड, यू डोंट थिंक हु इज बिफोर मी. आप लोग कभी कभी इस चीज को सोचिए, जब सिनेमा बनाया जाता होगा तो उसके पास कितना प्रॉब्लम आता होगा। इन द सेम वे दे हैव टू फेस इन द प्रॉब्लम बिफोर कैमरा। तो आप भी कोशिश किए, क्वेश्चन अच्छा था। सडनली एनीबडी आस्क टू यू, देन यू हैव टू कम द प्रॉब्लम। तो चलिए, 2 स्टूडेंट मोर आई वांट टू कॉल, one Arshad and one Nishikant. Both come, and you, both of you are a student of junior student. In which class do you read?
I read in class 9.
9. And you?
I read in class 9.
2 students who are reading in class 9. Suppose both of you go to a school and meeting a new student. Okay? Then how can you ask and how can you talk to each other? So just you think, क्या बोलेंगे नहीं बोलेंगे उसको आपको नहीं सोचना। ओनली यू थिंक वाट एवर आई एम स्पीकिंग दैट इज द राइट। एक दिन गलत करोगे तो एक दिन सही हो जाएगा। ओके, प्लीज कम, बोथ ऑफ यू।
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Mohammad Arshad Ayyub.
Are you new student in this school?
Yes, I am new student of this school.
In which class do you read?
I read in 9th class.
When does take admission in this? When did take admission in this school?
I take admission in this school.
How much cost it time cost of money?
I cost 480 rupees.
Do you attend our class daily?
Yes, I attend your class daily.
When does class start?
My class start at 9 o'clock.
Do you know the name of principal of this school?
Yes, I know the name of principal of this school.
Did you visit the school before?
No, I don't visit a school before.
Where do you belong to?
I belong to Jharkhand.
With whom do you come to a school?
I come to a school with our friends.
How much take time did come school?
I take come to school 30 minutes.
When does come school?
I come to a school at 3:30 o'clock.
Are you doing tuition anywhere?
Yes, I read.
Where are you doing tuition anywhere? Where are you tuition?
I reading tuition in my village. I doing tuition in my village.
What's your father name?
My father name is Ajmal Ansari.
Nice talking to you.
Thank you. Hello, Nishikant. May I ask the question?
As you ask the question.
Are you a new student of this school?
As I am new student of this school.
With do you read in? With do you read in class?
I read in class 9th.
With whom go to a school?
Sometime I go to school with my friend, but I come alone.
Are you attend your class daily?
No, I attend my class daily.
When do you class start?
My class start at 9 o'clock in the morning.
How much do you take admission in this college?
I took admission since 2022.
What's your father's name?
My father name is Sri Lal Prasad Kushwaha.
Thank you talking to you. Nice talking to you.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, Nishikant. And what's your name? Arshad. When you come, then what's problem you have to face? पता तो चल गया। Most of the students always excited to talk in English, but they can't speak. Why? By fear. क्योंकि लोगों के बीच में जो है सब भय बहुत जकड़ चुका है. हॉन्ट एक वर्ड होता है, हॉन्ट करना. At this time, you have seen yourself when you come here, then you're trying to speaking, but only what problem you come? Only problem come when you begin to speak, then you begin to hesitate. Next time, I have confidence you can do the better. और आप लोग देखे होंगे कि कैसे कोशिश तो किया, but what's the problem? Only problem is the fear. तो in the same way, आप चाहते हैं कि मैं लैंग्वेज को बनाऊं, तो विदाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग नथिंग विल हैपन. अभी के टाइम में क्या देखते हैं, जैसे लगता है कि हम सुन के आई कैन स्पीक, देख के आई कैन स्पीक. नहीं, यू स्पीक योर सेल्फ. समटाइम्स यू सिट एट होम एंड यू ट्राई टू स्पीक योर सेल्फ, एंड व्हेन यू स्पीक लाइक दिस, वन डे यू बिकम द परफेक्ट इन इंग्लिश. कोई भी काम बिना लेबर का होता नहीं है, आप उस पर सोचे तो ही हो सकता है. तो वन मोर स्टूडेंट, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू डू? व्हाट्स योर नेम? तौकीर अंसारी. देन प्लीज आई वांट यू आल्सो कम. और मैं चाहता हूं कि आप भी अपने समस्या क्या है, ऑलवेज आई से टू यू रीड एट होम. लगता है कि नहीं सर आई एम रीडिंग. जब से मोबाइल आया है आप लोग का दिमाग को जकड़ लिया है. ओके, एवरीथिंग यू आर सर्चिंग इन द मोबाइल, बट ये संभव नहीं है. आप किताब से दोस्ती बनाएं, ज़्यादा बेहतर है. मोबाइल सही है, होल टाइम नॉट वेल. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि तुम लोग का उंगली ये है ना, मोबाइल का टच मारता है, लाइक दिस विल हैपन. व्हाई? दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. स्टूडेंट का एक लक्ष्य बन गया है कि मोबाइल में ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई कैन सर्च. ऐसा नहीं है. देन आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल, प्लीज कम.
Good morning, I am Millie. He is a senior brother. I want to ask some question. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Tokreza.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 11th.
Are you a student in this college?
Yes, I am new student of this college.
When did you take admission in this college?
Yes, I take admission 15 May 2023.
How much did it cost you?
It cost to 4,000.
Are you attend your class daily?
Yes, I attend class daily.
Who teaches you? When does your class start?
I class start at 9 o'clock.
Who is your principal in this college?
I don't know principal name.
When do you come to a school?
I never come this college.
Are you doing your tuition anywhere?
Yes, I doing tuition anywhere.
Where are you doing your tuition?
Yes, some two question.
Where are you doing your tuition?
Yes, I doing tuition 9th o'clock. Rajdanwar.
What's your name, your tuition teachers?
My teacher name Gopal Rai Umesh sir.
How many spend your tuition?
I spend 5,000 your tuition.
What's your father name?
Tahir Hussain.
What's your mother name?
Tayyaba Khatun.
What's your father?
My father is a teacher.
How many members are there in your family?
6 members in my family.
Okay, nice talking to you.
Just you have seen how did two students ask the question and give the answer. Lot of confusion. लेकिन इस कंफ्यूजन में एक छोटा सा स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूँ कि लोगों का होता क्या है, लोगों का दिक्कत कहाँ है. जैसे एक बार एक स्टूडेंट था, ठीक है, वो फर्स्ट डिवीजन मैट्रिक पास किया था. अभी से 20 साल पहले मैट्रिक का एग्जाम, इंटर का एग्जाम जब भी लोग देता था तो अधिकतर स्टूडेंट फेल होता था. तो वो स्टूडेंट जाके अपने प्रिंसिपल से मिलता है और वो बोलता है कि सर टुडे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. उसका इंग्लिश थोड़ा सा अच्छा था. सर टुडे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी सो आई विल ईट यू. प्रिंसिपल थोड़ा मजाकिया था, लगे ये लड़का को पकड़ो ये पागल हो गया है. वो नो सर आई एम नॉट मैड, आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज आई गॉट वेल मार्क्स एंड आई एम फर्स्ट डिवीजन सो आई वांट टू ईट यू. बोलते रे ईट नहीं होता, आई विल ईट यू नहीं, तुमको क्या बोलना, आई विल फीड यू। बोल हाँ सर हम चाह रहे कि मैं आपको पार्टी दूंगा, मैं आपको खिलाऊंगा, तो खिलाना की इंग्लिश होता है फीड, तो यहाँ क्या बोलना था, आई विल फीड यू, तो ये बोलता है आई विल ईट यू। आई विल ईट यू का मतलब क्या होता है, मैं तुम्हें या मैं आपको खाऊंगा। तो इन द सेम वे lot of students spoke in English, but what should give the answer and what is question coming and what is question going, problem in the getting. नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे विश्वास है आप अच्छे से समझेंगे। आप बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन किया, क्वेश्चन का जवाब देना था। जैसे क्वेश्चन क्या था, व्हाट्स योर नेम, व्हाट्स योर फादर नेम, व्हेन डज योर क्लास स्टार्ट। आपको पकड़ना है कि डज का प्रयोग हुआ तो V5 में गया, व्हेन डिड यू टेक एडमिशन तो डिड का प्रयोग हुआ तो V2 पे यानी पास्ट पे गया, व्हेन डू यू गो टू कॉलेज यहाँ व्हेन डू यू प्रेजेंट की बात हुआ, तो इसका जवाब आप तरीके से थोड़ा सा सोचना। इसलिए वंस अगेन आई वांट टू टेल यू समटाइम्स ग्रामर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। आपको सेटिंग करना है। यदि क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है डू यू अटेंड योर क्लास डेली, यहाँ जवाब देना था यस, नहीं तो नो। ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन डू। तो प्लीज इफ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश देन प्लीज ज्वाइन। आई गिव द ऑफलाइन क्लास, ऑनलाइन क्लास, online class present time I am giving the free class. If you want to learn offline class then my present time one smartest coaching center is running in a small place name is Rai Dhanwar। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट यहाँ से सीख चुके हैं। स्मॉल प्लेस में भी लैंग्वेज को बनाया जा सकता है। थैंक यू।